We often hear about the clash between science and religion. It's a popular story, but it's not the whole story. History tells a different tale, a tale of remarkable individuals who embraced both faith and reason. These pioneers were not deterred by perceived conflicts. Instead, they saw their scientific pursuits as a form of worship. They sought to understand the universe and its creator. Their stories remind us that curiosity and wonder are not limited to the laboratory. They are also found in the hearts of those who contemplate the mysteries of the cosmos. In this essay, we will explore the lives of some of these extraordinary individuals. We will see how their faith fueled their scientific endeavors. We'll journey through time from the early days of modern science to the 19th century. Robert Boyle, a 17th century scientist, is best known for Boyle's law. This law describes the relationship between the pressure and volume of a gas. But Boyle was more than just a chemist. He was a devout Christian. His faith profoundly influenced his scientific work.
I believe that nature is God's creation. Studying the natural world is a form of worship. Understanding the laws of nature leads to a deeper understanding of God.
This belief fueled his passion for scientific inquiry. Boyle's piety was well known. He was a strong advocate for the use of reason in religion. He believed that faith and reason could coexist and complement each other. His writings on theology were influential in his time. Boyle's life and work stand as a testament to the harmony between science and faith. He saw no contradiction between his religious beliefs and his scientific pursuits. Instead, he viewed them as two sides of the same coin, both seeking to uncover truth. Blaise Pascal was a 17th century French mathematician, physicist, and philosopher. A child prodigy, Pascal made significant contributions to mathematics, particularly in geometry and probability. He's also known for his work on Pascal's law, which describes the pressure distribution in fluids. Pascal was a deeply religious man.
In my 30s, I experienced a profound religious conversion. This led me to devote much of my later life to religious philosophy.
He is best known for his theological work, Pensées or Thoughts. Despite his religious devotion, Pascal never saw a conflict between faith and reason. He argued that reason had limits. He believed that faith provided answers to questions that reason could not address. He saw the two as complementary ways of understanding reality. Pascal's work reflects his belief in the harmony between faith and reason. His mathematical and scientific work demonstrated his rational mind. His theological writings explored the depths of his faith. Pascal's life and work stand as a powerful example of how faith and reason can coexist. Unveiling the secrets of electromagnetism, Michael Faraday.
Michael Faraday, a 19th century British scientist, is considered one of the most influential physicists of all time.
His discoveries in electromagnetism laid the foundation for modern technologies like electric motors, generators, and transformers. Faraday was a devout Christian.
I belong to a small Protestant denomination known as the Sandemanians. My faith was central to my life and influenced my scientific work.
Faraday believed that the laws of nature were a reflection of God's order in the universe. He saw his scientific work as a way of uncovering God's design.
My faith gave me a sense of awe and wonder about the natural world. This motivated me to explore its mysteries.
Faraday's religious beliefs also influenced his ethical views. He believed that science should be used for the benefit of humanity.
I refused to work on chemical weapons for the British government, as it went against my conscience.
Gregor Mendel, the father of modern genetics.
My groundbreaking work on pea plants established the basic principles of heredity. My name is Gregor Mendel. I was a 19th century Augustinian friar, known by modern-day man as the father of modern genetics.
These principles laid the foundation for our understanding of genetics. Mendel's scientific pursuits were deeply intertwined with his religious vocation.
I believed that studying the natural world could reveal God's wisdom and design. I saw my research as a way to understand God's creation.
His work was meticulous and groundbreaking. He carefully designed experiments and kept detailed records of his observations.
My findings, published in 1866, went largely unnoticed during my lifetime. I used mathematical analysis to interpret my results.
Mendel's story reminds us that the pursuit of scientific knowledge and religious faith are not mutually exclusive. They can coexist and even complement each other.
My dedication to both my faith and scientific explorations exemplifies the harmonious relationship between the two.